Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2003 Gigi Mazda 6 Classic Sedan, stock reference number 3971. The shape runs from the 9th month 2002 through to the 1st month 2008. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid has 1 small dent, right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right front factory alloy mag 16-inch good tyre. We have all the door trims apart from the right hand side. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, top glove box, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.